Our guest speaker, Ms. Jyoti Lingara.
A lot of memories are popping up in my mind soon after seeing this auditorium. I never expected that I'll sit one day like this to interact with you students, but I'm very happy for that. Hi everyone. I have graduated from Maristella College in the year 2013, and yeah, it was a wonderful journey. It's not just an academic life what I have gone through there, but it was something more than that. It was very much challenging for me during my bachelor's because I had serious health issues there, and again it was my friends, my teachers, my family who stood by me to take a step forward, and they were really encouraging me so that I could clear all my exams, and finally I won a gold medal there. For that I'm really happy, and I thank God and thank all my teachers for that. At the end of my bachelor's degree, I get to know there are several opportunities provided as in the campus interviews. So I attended campus interviews conducted by Virtusa. I could clear that, but since I was more interested and inclined towards future studies, I rejected that offer. Then later I moved to master's degree. My interest was more towards physics. I started looking for some different universities. Then I got to know about this University of Hyderabad and then Andhra University. Initially, I applied only for physics because that was my only motto. But one day, Little Flower ma'am, she only introduced me to this new subject called Ocean and Atmospheric Sciences. It was new to me, and by God's grace, I could clear that exam and also the interview as well. The opportunities, what I'm seeing now, or anything like the people I'm meeting these days, it really makes me happy, and it's such a satisfaction I'm getting now. Once I finished my master's degree from University of Hyderabad, I could clear CSIR NET exam. This is something like a fellowship program funded by government. This will support your PhD program, like wherever you do your PhD throughout India. Then I opted for Indian National Center for Ocean and Information Services, India. This is in Hyderabad. So I joined there in 2016. It all went well, like I could publish the papers. Now, then later, I got a fellowship opportunity, is a overseas visiting doctoral fellowship opportunity. This is actually funded by government of India again. So as part of this program, I am sent to Purdue University, USA. Main motto of this program is like you can carry out part of your PhD, which you are doing there in India. Like you can collaborate with a new mentor from Purdue University, and then you can work with him. You can publish some papers, and like you can increase the impact factor of your research. Even in the future, I'm looking for some postdoc opportunities in US itself, so that I can work with this team again and build up my career. I'm really happy once again to be here and to share my academic profile with you all. I lost my father when I was in my second class, and since then it was my mother who took my responsibility and my brother's responsibility. I know how much she has struggled for our sake, and I'm really proud to be her daughter. I have to thank you personally, ma'am, because throughout this journey, even you were with me when I was sick. You came to hospital, and I remember all those days. The decision you showed me that day it made a huge difference in my life. So I'm really thankful to you as well. Thank you, ma'am.